first, let's set up your demo account to allow you to practice trades. At the bottom of your screen where it says Quotes, Chart, Trade, History and Settings, go ahead and click on Settings. Here you can access both live and demo accounts. Click on New Account and you will be presented with 3 options, starting without registration, opening a personal demo account, and logging into an existing live account. Today, we're going to click Open a Personal Demo Account. This is where you search for your broker you have chosen to trade with. There are currently almost 2,000 brokers available on the MT4 platform. For today, we are suggesting FX Choice. Connect with your sponsor and see which broker they use. However, please be advised that this is a totally individual decision, just like when you choose who to bank with. You will be presented with a search bar at the top of the screen. Go ahead and type in FX Choice. Click on the FX Choice Pro Demo search result and you will be redirected to the registration screen. Go ahead and fill in your personal information, including your name, telephone number, and your email address. Once complete, scroll down until you see Account Type, Leverage and Deposit. Click on Deposit and select 3,000 USD. Great! You have successfully set up your demo account.